Welcome to Story Sprout Kids. Get ready for a fun new story.
Hello, little sprouts, and welcome back. Today, we're going on an adventure to discover the incredible power of a simple hello. We'll explore the two paths we can take when we see someone we know. The path of greeting, which is like sunshine, and the path of ignoring, which can feel like a cloudy day. Let's see what our friend Leo is up to. Good morning, Leo. Oh, dear. It seems Leo has taken the path of ignoring. He was so focused on his game that he didn't even notice Mr. Gable. Look at Mr. Gable's face. He was happy to see Leo, but when he was ignored, it made him feel invisible, like he wasn't even there. Ignoring someone can feel like closing a door in their face. It can make them feel unimportant. Now, here comes Mia. Let's see what happens when she sees Mr. Gable. Will she choose a path of sunshine? Hello there, Mia. Good morning, Mr. Gable. Your flowers look so pretty today. Why? Thank you, Mia. That's so kind of you to say. Have a wonderful day. You too. Wow, what a difference. Mia chose the path of greeting. A simple good morning and a smile were like a ray of sunshine for Mr. Gable. It shows that you see the other person and that you care. Greeting someone is like opening a door and saying, "I'm happy to see you." It makes both people feel warm and happy inside. Welcome to the library, Leo. There goes Leo again, on the path of ignoring. Miss Daisy was ready to help him, but by not responding, Leo missed a chance to be friendly and polite. Ignoring people can make them feel like their words don't matter. Let's try that again. This time, Leo is ready to choose a sunshine path. Welcome to the library, Leo. Hi, Miss Daisy. Thank you. It's lovely to see you. Are you looking for a special book today? I just got a new one about pirate dinosaurs that I think you'll love. Pirate dinosaurs? Wow! Yes, please. Look at that. Because Leo chose the path of greeting, he not only made Miss Daisy feel good, but he also discovered an amazing new book. Greeting people opens up conversations and new adventures. It's a key that unlocks friendship and fun. So, little sprouts, what did we learn? Ignoring people, even by accident, can create cloudy days for them and for you. But greeting people with a smile and a hello spreads sunshine everywhere you go. It shows respect. It makes people feel valued, and it opens up the world. It's a small effort that makes a huge difference. So go on, spread some sunshine. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
If you enjoyed this story, like, share, and subscribe to Story Sprout Kids for more magical stories.